But are there any other ways you use it as like a learning outcome, or perhaps, I know you said you don't do tests, but maybe as a form of assessment for collaboration, any other uses?
Yeah, I mean, and even though I might not use it for, like I might not give tests or whatever, a lot of times their outcome might be creating a project or building something or showing, what they learned with a tool that they choose. And again, like a big part of my job as a librarian is that piece, with our teachers, because we want them to think creatively. We want our teachers to deliver the content, in ways that is engaging and exciting and innovative for our kids. And so when the teachers come to me, I always think about like Pear Deck, for example. We use Pear Deck a lot. I love Pear Deck. And we have set up so many different like learning opportunities in Pear Deck. And so maybe even a few years ago, a social studies test might have been given on a piece of paper, but now we could use Pear Deck to do the same thing where kids can write their responses or draw them or say them. They can use, Pebble Go Create to create something that they've learned. They can use anything really, to make something that to show what they have learned, to show that they have that knowledge that we want them to have. And so it doesn't always have to do with giving them a written test or something that is fill in the blank or like true and false. Or, I mean, my son is a senior and it's been great to watch him go through Van Meter and, work with the teachers who are even teaching Hagen to really understand that more, because, in real life, like that's what we all do, right? Is we show what we know about our job. We do our job well, we're passionate about it, and that's what we want our kids to have too. And so a big part of my role is just being able to use these tools to assess what they're learning even more.